Coordinating conjunctions are essential components of English grammar, serving as the glue that holds words, phrases, and clauses together in sentences. Understanding how to use these conjunctions correctly can greatly enhance your writing skills and make your sentences clearer and more effective. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions in English, often remembered by the acronym fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Each of these conjunctions has a unique role in connecting elements in a sentence, but they all share the common purpose of joining grammatically similar elements. For. This conjunction is used to explain a reason or purpose, similar to because. For example, he decided to take his umbrella, for it looked like rain. And, perhaps the most commonly used conjunction, and adds one thing to another. It can link words, phrases, or independent clauses. Example, she bought apples and oranges. Nor is used to connect two negative alternatives. It is not often used in everyday conversation but is useful in writing. Example, he neither likes to swim nor to play basketball. But, used to show contrast between two items. But, introduces an element of surprise or a contrasting idea. Example, she is small but mighty. But, used to show contrast between two items. But, introduces an element of surprise or a contrasting idea. Example, she is small but mighty. Yet, similar to, but, yet, is used to introduce a contrasting idea that follows logically from the previous one. Example, he was tired, yet he continued to work. So indicates a result or an effect. It is used to show the consequence of an action. Example, it was late, so they decided to go home. Using coordinating conjunctions effectively requires understanding not only their meanings but also their punctuation. When a coordinating conjunction joins two independent clauses, it is customary to place a comma before the conjunction. For example, I wanted to go for a walk, but it was raining. However, when the conjunction joins two items that are not independent clauses, no comma is needed. She bought apples and oranges. In addition to their grammatical function, coordinating conjunctions can also affect the tone and flow of your writing. By choosing the right conjunction, you can control the pace of your sentences and how your ideas relate to each other. This can make your writing more dynamic and engaging. In conclusion, mastering the use of coordinating conjunctions is a fundamental skill in English writing. These small but powerful words help you to build complex sentences and express detailed ideas clearly and effectively. By practicing the use of fanboys, you can enhance both the clarity and the persuasiveness of your writing. Remember, the key to using conjunctions effectively is understanding their specific functions and knowing when and how to apply them in your sentences.
This has been a production of DNJ Designs and Mathman 1962. If you want to be notified when new videos are posted, click on the subscribe button. Adult education instructional materials available at https://edtech.dnjdesigns.org.